Hey, I'm ChellOAG on Twitch.
Wait!
You just have a little sock on.
Let me call Betsy. I ain't got time for this. Hold on.
I'm ready to fight crime! Crime!
Where I play a bunch of different things and the vibe is always changing. But let's say you want to raid a new person, but you're a little worried that the vibes might be off between your community and theirs. Well, with FrostyTools' new feature called Vibe Raider.
Oh!
I got paid to say that. With FrostyTools' new feature called Vibe Raider, it can make things so much easier for you. Let's check it out. First, you want to go to FrostyTools.com/vibes. First off, you'll see a bunch of people who are live. Just go ahead and click on anybody. This is before you even use any tags. Bossu Versus is playing a fighting game. I went ahead and added some tags, Black and women, because I love supporting Black women. And here's Call Me Asia. She's live right now. And that's it. FrostyTools makes it incredibly easy to find someone new to raid with this cool, awesome tool. You get it? Frosty? Cool. You like that? Yeah. So all you have left to do is set out on a new adventure, go make some new friends, and enjoy every raid. I am once again ChellOAG over on Twitch. You can find me playing all sorts of games, from indie horror games to Tekken 8 and other fighting titles, and some Roblox. Ever want to raid out and I match your vibe? Go ahead and check me out. Thanks for watching.